Hello and welcome to Solution Nerds. In this video, I am going to show you how to find out which background app is not working properly, and because of that your Android phone hanged up. Now how to find out? So for that, first go to settings, slide down and search for developer option. If developer option is not enabled on your Android, click on about phone. Slide down and search for build number. Tap the build number 7 times and you will enable your developer option. Back to developer option. Click on developer option. Now slide down to bottom and here you can find out show all ANRS. Show an app not responding dialog for background app. By enabling it, you will easily find out which application is not working properly on background and get solution for it. Hope you all liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.